Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. To my new and old subscribers, a very warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I cook this delicious okra soup. Yeah, though we have different ways of cooking okra soup, watch this recipe, you will love every bit of it, and let's get started. In a clean pot, I'm going to be adding some stockfish, adding some little water, season cube and cook for some minutes. Now we are checking on the pot. Now I added in the shaki, add in little water, stir and cover and brings to a boil. Next, add in the beef, some salt and little water, stir, cook until it is 80% done. Looking at the screen here, you can notice that the meat is 80% cooked, so I introduce my dry fish and cover, let it cook for like 1 minute. So next, yeah, everything is well cooked. Now scoop it out and set aside. Next, pour some red palm oil in a pot and let it heat up. Once that is done, add in your chopped onions and fry for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now add in your blended okra. Give it a mix until it is well combined, okay? Now go ahead and add in your chopped okra and mix everything together. Once done, add in the stock water. Stir to combine. Now add in all your cooked protein. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. Now I added in my fried shrimps. Add some grilled mackerel fish, some pepper, adjust to your taste, crayfish, added in some seasoning cubes. Stir, 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 add some little water if it is too thick, just the way I did here on the screen. Now go ahead and cover and brings to a boil. Some minutes now, I introduce the vegetable in. Here I'm using some spinach. You can as well use any vegetable of your choice. Once done, cover for like 1 minute. 1 minute later, our okra soup is ready. Serve with any swallow of your choice. This soup tasted so super delicious. Thank you all for watching. Until we meet again in my next video, remain blessed. Bye.